Today we are going to make my special chicken pulao, which will be the star of your parties and events. I am taking 4 cups of basmati rice. Soak in water for a minimum of 30 minutes. The ratios here are for 6 to 8 people. Doesn't matter how you cut the onions. I like to add chopped onions and tomatoes. I made this pulao for a dinner at my home that we hosted, so I used the drumsticks and the breast pieces for curry to accompany the rice. And I used the thighs, wings and back portion for pulao. I'm going to dry up all the water coming out of the chicken. Water's dried. Now let's prepare the whole spice mix first. 2.5 tablespoon cumin, black peppercorn, cloves, 2 black cardamoms, star anise, and few pieces of cinnamon. Now 2 tablespoon cumin powder, cinnamon powder, coriander powder, chili flakes. Add 1.5 cup oil in your utensil. Now bring out the aroma of whole spices in hot oil. Add half cup yogurt. Now add the powdered spice mix. When the yogurt combines well like this, add the onions and make them slightly tender. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Cover and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm changing pots now because curry was being cooked in this bigger pot and I didn't want to waste time. Now I'm adding 5 cups of water. Adding 4 teaspoons of salt at this time. Adding the chicken, which I dried previously so that it can completely cook now. I like to take chicken out of the rice so it can expand without breaking. You can add rice along with the chicken. Cooking time varies according to the size and material of the pot. I cooked for 20 minutes on very low heat. The rice looks done, but when the pot is too big like mine and the heat is low, 20 to 30% of the rice remained uncooked. So to avoid any mistakes at the time of arrival of guests, I am going to steam it with a cloth cover for about 10 minutes. Time to plate up and show you the final look.